Hello, welcome and let's learn on how we write a complex number in polar form. So, first of all, we obtain the radius, which is found by square root of the component along the real part, which is the first component, squared, plus the square of the component along the complex part, then you obtain square root. So 3 squared is 9, negative 2 squared is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Then the next thing, you identify the quadrant at which the argument lies. So you have 3, which is somewhere here along the real part, which is real part, and negative 2i is somewhere here. This y-axis is the imaginary part. Now, once you know where the argument is, so it is in the fourth quadrant. So to get theta, it will be 360 degrees minus tan inverse of negative 2 over 3. In this case, now this negative, it is to show you the quadrant where it is. So it is 2 over 3. From the calculator, tan inverse of 2 over 3 is that 3.70. 360 degrees minus that 3.70 will give you 326.31. Then the equation you are going to solve is we substitute the value of r, because you are going to write it in polar form. We substitute the value of r. Our r is root 3 exponential 326.31, then we square. Root 3 squared will give us, when you square root 3, it is going to give you 13. When you multiply this exponent here times 2, it is going to give you 652.62. Now, there is one circle here, so you subtract 360 degrees from 652.62. When you subtract, you are going to obtain 292.62. So in polar form, the given complex number z is equal to bracket 3 minus i2 into bracket squared. In polar form, we are going to obtain it in this form. Z is equal to 13, 292.62 degrees. So that is how we can express this number in polar form. This form here, it is what is called exponential form. Exponential form. So in standard form, this number would be z is equal to, it will receive this form. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me concerning a complex number, and in particular today we're interested to see or to learn how do we express a complex number like the one we are given here. How do we express a complex number like the one given here in polar form? So there are two steps which are involved. First of all, you can get the radius. Once you get the radius, then you identify where the argument is, and in this case it is in the fourth quadrant. So you obtain it. Once you obtain, now you substitute from the given number and you simplify and you obtain your result as shown here. This is in the exponential form, as we have done in this simple method STEM. Thank you so much for taking your time to study with me. For more such learning, kindly tune on to my YouTube channel so that we may keep on learning together.